Pyramid cities. While the pyramids were being built, it made sense for all the workers to live nearby. Whole so-called pyramid cities grew up around the building sites. The pharaoh provided the workers and their families living there with food, clothing, and shelter. This was basically the workers' payment for their labor. When the pyramid was finished, people continued to live in the pyramid city. The workers, of course, all left, but pyramid guards moved in. The job of a pyramid guard was vital to protect the gold and jewel-encrusted treasures and grave goods inside the tomb. Any old grave robber knew where the pyramid was. You couldn't exactly miss it, and everyone knew what was inside. As the royal family had to continue to pay these pyramid guards, the expense of a pyramid didn't end after it was built and the pharaoh was buried inside.